Hello everyone, welcome to Talented Developer. In last tutorial, if you remember, we have created customer, and in this tutorial we are going to retrieve all the customer. So how we can do? If you go to the Stripe document, and here you can see list all customer, they have already created the code. So we are just going to use same code. So I'm just going to copy this old API and we'll update it. So this time we no need any request body things, and here we can give the name like get all customer, and just go copy this following code. So if you see here, it will return the customer collection. That means like list of customer, correct? This customer is a Stripe model. So if you see, currently we have two customers, so it will return the list of two customer. So what we can do, just use for loop. So it will start from 0 and we have to use get data dot size, right? So it will behave like a list, and after that what we have to do, we have to create one customer data, new customer data. Next what we have to do, we have to set all this data. So customer data dot set customer ID. So what will be happen, we need to get customer dot get data dot get ID, right? So similarly we have to set the name also, then we have to set the email. So what will be happen, when we are going to call this customer collection API, it will return the list of customer. From that we just need to get the name, email and customer ID, because if you go to our model class, we are just having 3 names. If you want, you can further add more also. And after that I need to get all the customer, so that's why I'm running the for loop here. So first time it will get the first data. So first data, how you can get customer data dot get data get index of. So first time it will return the zeros customer, and after that we need get ID, get email, get. So I'm just setting here. Now I need to also get the list of customers. So how you can do, just give here list. I'm going to give I like a array list. So now what will be happen, so now we need to set our customer into list of customers, and now the return type will be all customer, right? So here it will show to change as a list of customer, right? So just change it. See, we need to delete this line, and currently limit is there, right? So just save. So now server is running now. So go to the Postman, copy this whole name. So now our API name is get all customers, right? Just come and now call it. You can see we are getting the list of 2 customers. So now I'm going to render this both customer into UI side also, like here. So what we have to do, we have to update our index page, and after that I need to call the get all customer. So whenever we are calling our application slash index, it is loading this page, and this index is holding the code of this class. So I'm just going to update the code. So now we need to add here model, and I'm going to use our same code whatever we have just created. Now no need to return. So all customer will hold our all the customer data. So now we need to set. So just use model, add attributes. I'm going to give name like a customers, and here I'm setting all this customer. So now I need to update our index page. I'm already having the code. You can find all the code in the description. So I have just pasted my code. I'm not doing anything, like just I have added one table, right? And in the table I have put a header like customer ID, name, email, edit and delete, right? So edit and delete we are going to perform in the future. And here table row, I'm just performing the for loop operation. So this customer's name, right, it must be same like whatever we have set here, and it is running a for loop. So first data it will come, and after that we are getting ID, name, email, and I'm just setting the button only. I'm not doing any operation. So just save it, and now stop your server and run it. So now what will be happen, whenever we will call this page, our application will be go with this stripe key. We are just going to get only 3 customer, right? We have set the limit as a 3, and once we get our customer, we are running a for loop to get all the data, and we are setting at this attribute. So what will be happen, it will call this template. So this template is already here, and after that whatever data we are passing, it will go and set all the data here. And I'm going to give the name like index, right? You can see, right, this is the customer ID of that 2 customers we have created earlier. So TV at the end, you can see, right? And this is the name, and this is the email. So in next tutorial we are going to see how we can delete. After that we will try to see the edit also.